Lately, I have watched quite a few YouTube videos saying the official Samsung screen protector for the Galaxy S23 Ultra is not good, do not buy, not recommended. But I'm here to tell you that if installed correctly, this is the best screen protector for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. And here's why. First reason is how thin the screen protector is compared to glass screen protectors. Yes, it's not as hard as glass, but the material is really hard plastic compared to other screen protectors like the TPU soft rubbery feel. You won't feel that texture. The second reason is once you install correctly, because of how thin it is, there's no gunk or dirt built up around the edges of the screen protector. Now let me show you a couple of shots. Perfect install on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As you can see from those shots that I have a perfectly aligned and installed official Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra screen protector. There's no dust trap inside and there's no lifting around the edges. So just take your time, follow the instructions, and you should have a perfectly installed Galaxy S23 Ultra screen protector. If you have any tips, please leave them down in the comments below. And thank you for watching.